So I've got my seated elliptical here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features. So if you have an issue where maybe you have some mobility issues and you want to keep those joints moving, your feet, your knees, your legs, things like that, or you sit down a lot and you want to go ahead and keep moving. Also, this is a great way to do it because this is for seated, not standing at all, but it's a great way to do that. It does come with a remote because there's two ways to use it. Besides the remote, you can use the display right here on the front. Remote's simple, easy to use too. And there's a little place right here so you can go ahead and keep that remote in there. Now this does plug into a standard outlet. So it's pretty intuitive the way the remote actually works. We got start and stop. Let me go ahead and just start it. We got manual mode and automatic mode. Right now it's in manual mode, and if you want, you can go ahead and change the speed. There's actually 12 different speeds. I'll go ahead and go up to the max right here. You can see how fast that's going, so that's pretty good. It just depends on your ability and how fast you want to go ahead and just keep moving. Also, it does have some automatic modes. It's going to be listed here starting at P1, goes all the way up to P12, so there's 12 modes and 12 speeds also. Now it also has different functions that are listed here on the left and right side. We can scan all these, or you can go ahead and change it through the function button right here, which is time. It'll calculate your distance too. Also your speed. Now it does have a counter, and it also calculates calories too. Besides going forward, you can also change the direction right here. Now in the 12 modes, what it's going to do also is change directions going forwards and backwards, and it's going to vary the speed whatsoever. Or you can, of course, you can just put this in manual mode and change the speed and direction at any time that you want to. On the back side, it does have a little cubby hole, so you can go ahead and put your hand in there and pick it up and move it. It doesn't weigh much at all. Of course, we've got our power cord here that's nice and long, and then right here, this is where you, actually, if you want to, you can go ahead and just turn it on or off. This is super easy to use. I definitely like using the remote control. All I'm going to do is just point at it. I can change the speed, and I can also change the direction. Hope you found this review helpful.